Okay, please refer to your textbook, page 91, question 12. The diagram on the right shows the first four semicircles arranged according to a certain pattern. The radius of the largest circle is 32. Largest circle is this circle. So, radius is 32. That means here also 32. Okay. Calculate the least perimeter of the four circle in terms of pi. Okay, firstly, you need to know this one will be our radius. So this one is 32. When divide into 2, it will become the radius of second circle. So 32 divided into 2 becomes 16. And followed by this one also the same. Here is 16 divided by 2 become 8. Okay, so first we need to know the perimeter. So perimeter, that means I need to know the perimeter for this length is 32 plus 32. How about the length of the arc? Okay, we know that one circle, the length of arc is equal to 2 pi r. Now is semicircle. That means we need to divide by 2, right? So the formula will be pi r. So this is the length of the arc of a semicircle. So now I want to know the perimeter of the first semicircle. Okay, perimeter for the first semicircle. Okay, is equal to, okay, the diameter is 32 plus 32. So 32 plus 32 is 64 plus pi r. Okay, pi, I keep it because the question requests in terms of pi. Pi times r, my r is 32. So it is become 64 plus 32 pi. I can factorize 32. So 2 plus pi. Okay, 2 plus pi. Okay, this is the first one. So second one, the perimeter for the second one is the orange color. So it's 16 plus 16 is 32. Plus, what is the radius? So it's 16 times pi. So it's 16 pi. So actually, I factor out 16. So it's 16 times 2, 32 plus pi. Okay, followed by the third semicircle. So the radius is 16. The diameter is 16 plus 2 pi r. Okay, pi r. Pi r, the radius is 8. So pi r. So is, I factor out 8. So it's 2 plus pi. And followed by the fourth one is equal to, so you see, this one actually will be 4 and 4, right? It's the radius. So diameter is plus pi r. R is 4. 4 times pi, so 4 pi. So I factor out 4, so 2 plus pi. Okay, so this is the sequence. So how we calculate the list and list the semicircle. So we have list it out. Okay, we have list it out. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Question B. Okay, based on the answer from A, show that the generalization for the perimeters of the four circles, 2, 6 minus n pi plus 2. This one, I think, got mistake. N not start from 0. N must start from 1. Okay, so now I want to prove it. So I know that when n equal to 1, my perimeter will be 32. Okay, pi plus 2. When n equal to 2 will become 16 pi plus 2. When n equal to 3 will become 8 pi plus 2. When n equal to 4, my r will become my perimeter will become 4 pi plus 2, and so on. We don't know, and so on. Okay, now we want to make the conclusion. So this is the constant part. So I copy back. This is the changes. I don't know. So pi plus 2, where my n start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So we see that how 1 become 32, how 2 become 16, how this one become 8, how this one become 4. Okay, so we see when we use the 2 power of n, 2 power of 5 is equal to 35, 2 power of 4 equal to 16, 2 power of 3 become 8, 2 power of 4 become 2. So see that pattern. Okay, so we prove it. So how this one become 5? 1 become 5, 2 become 4. So we use that 6 minus n. So 6 minus 1 become 5, 6 minus 2 become 4, 6 minus 3 become 3, 6 minus 4 become 2. So this is how we prove it. Okay, lastly, we come to question C. Calculate the perimeter in cm for the 8th semicircle. So our n equal to 8. So substitute the equation. 2 power of 6 minus 8 pi plus 2. So it's equal to 2 negative 2 pi plus 2. Then 2 negative 2, that means it's 1 over 2 power 2 pi plus 2. So it's 1 over 4 pi plus 2. So cm.